Hey everyone, welcome back to the Druid's Den. I forgot to do the intro and outro to this video, and so it is dark out, but just ignore that. So this video is really just going to be looking into where we are so far with the new tiny home, us celebrating the 4th of July, and just a few other things around here. Alright, here we go. Here's the stuff I'm going to be using. Definitely going to need more of this, but I at least got some. And I've also got this bad boy here. So that should work. I'm going to use this probably to clean the roof and also to tar the roof. Probably not the best thing to do, but what are you going to do? Good to know. Show up for delivery. Alright, here we are. I haven't really done anything to it since we last saw it. Some of the boxes have ended up piled out here again. Probably gonna have to trim up some of this as well. Trim up these branches and then clean this roof off real quick and then we can get to it. It's been a really rainy 4th of July. So as you can see, it's kind of cloudy out, but we're doing fireworks anyways. Oh yeah.
You put these fire blasters in our pond.
All the cows were just like, whoa.
We need an adult to light our sparklers for us, please.
Apparently so.
Ooh, magic.
Ooh, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Spent a long time trimming up all of these branches so that we can get to the roof a little easier. So that's a good start. I'm thinking I might actually dig this lower here in the future, like all along here, have like a kind of a low spot, and then have like a French drain that goes out back behind here because it gets to lower land over here. This is just so short. Here. So that's just me standing normally. It gets to right there. Just a problem, you know. I'm a little over 6 feet, but still. Okay, I'm gonna try to brush the roof with the tar brush, but I don't know why. I'm just being lazy. I don't feel like going and getting a broom, so we'll see how this goes. That kind of works. Okay, so I need to get all of the insulation off the walls of what everything that's left. So there's just a ton of crap in there, so let's take a look real quick. Here's what I'm dealing with. Just a lot of stuff on the ground. It's basically empty, but gotta get all this cleaned up, so here we go. Okay, so we're not 100% sure that the power works in here. I know parts of, like, certain plugs work. The one outside works, just like on the wall outside, but this one, I don't know if it works. So let's find out. Hey, you hear that?
Yeah, that sounds good. That beep.
I think we got power. Hell yeah.
Success.
Where's the switch?
the light switch in here?
There you go.
Oh, this is cool. Okay. That makes it a little easier to work in here.
I don't know how you're gonna clean up this. It looks hard.
The worst thing, in my opinion, is the floor. And it's just because, like, it really does feel like you could just fall through it. I'm gonna have to swap it. I'm gonna have to, which sucks, but I'm more scared of if I start working on the bottom, if I like remove a piece of the bottom, finding like snakes underneath the house.
I'm terrified of that.
You find like there were like tennis balls and stuff in here,
Uh-huh.
and then I found just a turd. It looked like dog poop.
Ew.
So I think a dog lived in here for a little while. I think a large dog lived in here.
Maybe it was a human.
It could have been just a weird human.
Okay, so we've got all the materials and everything over at the new house. I've been putting off putting all the tar stuff on the new roof because it's just gonna be such a pain and it's so hot out. But everything's almost cleared off in there, so let me at least show you how it looks inside right now. Well, as you can see, it's worse than ever out here. I got this guy interrupting what we're doing over here. Thanks, sir.
A lot of fiberglass that does spot on the camera. So it is all over us.
So this is one of my next big projects as well. So for one, I was sliding around so much I realized, look how bald that is. It's horrible. So I'm getting some new 33-inch tires and I'm raising this 3 inches just to make it a little easier to get out to my house and everything. My plan is to turn this space back here. I still got to clear everything out of it, obviously, but I'm going to turn this into a tiny home as well, like a little camper. So I'm gonna have a sink and a bathroom, like a toilet, sink, everything that you need, some cabinet space, stuff like that, and like a bed here and everything. So should be pretty cool in the end. We'll see how it goes. Okay, thank you for watching. There's gonna be a lot more footage on the tiny home soon, and then I plan to work on the new tiny home car here as soon as possible as well. I can't wait to do that. So all right, thanks, bye. You guys ready for some fireworks, huh? What do you think, man? Yeah, you never seen them before, I guess. Your mom's seen fireworks. She hasn't seen them mine. She hasn't seen them mine. Yeah, watch me licking this, smudging it up before I film. Oh, bull nettle. Do you guys eat bull nettle?